Okay, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use two very important helping verbs in English, and that is to do and to have. And a helping verb helps the main verb in a sentence. It helps us make questions, negative sentences, and different tenses, okay? So let's start with to do, okay? The main forms are do, does, and did, okay? You use the word do with I, you, we, and they, okay? For example, I do, you do, we do, and they do, okay? Use does with he, she, and it, okay? For example, he does, she does, it does, okay? And we use did for something that happened in the past. For example, I did, she did, they did, okay? As a helping verb, do is mainly used to make questions and negative sentences in the simple tenses, okay? For present simple questions, use do or does plus the subject plus the base verb. For example, do you speak English? Okay. Do they live here? Does he work here? Does she like coffee? Notice this one important rule. After does, the main verb stays in the base form, okay? You want to say something like, does she like coffee? You don't say, does she likes coffee, okay? The helping verb does already shows the third person form, okay? So now let's look at past simple questions, okay? Use did plus the subject plus the base verb, okay? So we're going to say something like, did you call me? Did he finish the work? Did they arrive on time? After did, the main verb also stays in the base form, okay? You say, did he finish? You don't say, did he finished, okay? The helping verb did already shows that this is happening in the past tense, okay? So now let's make some negative sentences with do. In the present simple, use do not or does not, and then the base verb, okay? For example, I do not understand. They do not live here. He does not work here. She does not eat meat, okay? And in speaking, we usually use the contracted form, okay? So do not becomes don't, and does not become doesn't, okay? For example, I don't understand. You can say that instead of I do not understand. They don't live here. He doesn't work here instead of saying does not, okay? She doesn't eat meat, okay? And again, after doesn't, use the base verb, okay? You say she doesn't like coffee. You would not say she doesn't likes coffee, okay? And for the past simple negative, use did not plus the base verb, okay? And this is for the things happening in the past. I did not see him. She did not call me. They did not finish the project. In speaking, we contract that as well. So instead of did not, we'll say didn't, okay? For example, I didn't see him. She didn't call me. They didn't finish the project, okay? And again, after didn't, you just use the base verb, okay? She didn't call me. You don't say she didn't called me, okay? So now let's look at to have, okay? The main forms are have, has, and had, okay? Use have with I, you, we, and they. For example, I have, you have, we have, they have, okay? Now you use the word has with he, she, and it. He has, she has, it has, okay? And you use had for something that happened in the past. For example, I had, she had, they had, okay? And as a helping verb, have is used to make perfect tenses, okay? So the base structure is have or has plus the past participle. For example, I have finished. She has arrived. They have eaten, okay? This is called the present perfect. And the present perfect connects the past to the present, okay? For example, I have finished my homework. This means that the homework is finished now, okay? She has arrived. This means she arrived and she is here now, okay? Use have with I, you, we, and they, okay? I have studied. You have practiced. We have learned. They have arrived, okay? Use has with he, she, and it. He has worked. She has called. It has stopped, okay? Now we can look at the past perfect, okay? And that's just had plus the past participle, okay? So I had finished before he arrived. She had left before I called. They had eaten before the meeting started. In this way, the past perfect shows that one past action happened before another past action. She had left before I called. First she left, then I called, okay? So we can also make negative sentences with have. And in the present perfect, do not... Okay, so now let's make negative sentences with have, okay? In the present perfect, add not after the have or has. For example, I have not finished. She has not arrived. They have not called, okay? And in speaking, of course, we're going to throw in a contraction there. So have not is going to become haven't, and has not is going to become hasn't, okay? I haven't finished. She hasn't arrived. They haven't called. In the past perfect, use had not and then the past participle. I had not seen the movie. She had not finished the report. They had not arrived yet. And then, of course, if we contract that, the had not, that becomes hadn't, okay? I hadn't seen the movie. She hadn't finished the report. They hadn't arrived yet, okay? And if we want to make a question with have, for the present perfect, move have or has just before the subject. For example, have you finished? Has she arrived? Have they called? Okay? For the past perfect, move had before the subject. Okay? Had you seen the movie before? Had she left before you arrived? Had they finished before the meeting? And if we compare the word do and have, you can think of it like this. Use do for simple tense questions and negatives, okay? Do you work here? She doesn't like coffee. Did they call you? use have for perfect tenses. I have finished. She has arrived. They have left. Or they had left. And here is a simple rule to remember. Do helps with simple tenses, and have helps with perfect tenses, okay? So we'll just quickly look at a few common mistakes with this, and that is the first one. If you said something like, does she likes coffee, okay? The correct way to say it would be, does she like coffee? Mistake number 2 would be if you said something like, did he called you? That's actually very common for people with practicing English as a second language. They'll make a statement like, did he called you? Okay. The correct way to say it is simply, did he call you? Okay. Mistake number 3 is, I have finished. But in that case, you want to say, I have finished. Okay. And mistake number 4 would be a statement like, she have arrived. Okay, you'd want to say, she has arrived. Okay. The helping verb to have has 3 main forms: have, has, and had. We use have, has, and had to make perfect tenses. Okay. I have finished. She has arrived. They had left before we came. Okay? So you just want to remember, use do for simple tense questions and negatives, and use have for perfect tenses. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.